Hello, my name is Izzy and I work with Perth NIM. And today we've planted 3,500 plants here at beautiful Coogee Beach. We could have not done this without the amazing workforce and dedication and wonderful nourishing food of the Green S-Force. So thank you to Dr. MSG for inspiring the Green S-Force to come and care for the environment together with their families to help community and restore this stretch of beautiful coastline. Thank you.